Hello everyone. Happy December 21st. Today we celebrate the winter solstice, crossword puzzles, and the joy of seasonal reflection. Let's dive into 3 fun and thoughtful events. These moments are perfect for gifting, even if it's just to brighten someone's day. And if you missed out, don't worry, more exciting celebrations are coming soon. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. It's the winter solstice, the shortest day and longest night of the year. A great gift could be a cozy candle set, a warm blanket, or a winter meditation journal. How do you welcome winter? Let's warm the comments. It's National Crossword Puzzle Day, a celebration of wordplay and brain-teasing fun. A thoughtful gift could be a crossword puzzle book, a pencil set, or a puzzle-themed mug. What's your favorite puzzle type? Let's fill in the comments. Before our last event, enjoying these celebrations. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends, they'll thank you later. Christmas is 4 days away, and the countdown is glowing brighter than winter lights. It's Humbug Day. A humorous reminder to release holiday stress. A sweet gift could be a stress relief kit, a funny holiday t-shirt, or a peppermint bath soak. Feeling a little humbug? Let's laugh it off in the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description, you'll find links to matching gift products for these events. And be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for January 21st to 25th. So you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching everyone. More celebrations are coming tomorrow. Stay awesome.